today we are headed out to Walmart. Look, I got some good progress going on. Majority of the cabinets downstairs is emptied. I'm emptying out this here with the Christmas ornaments, and then I'm gonna clean this first. So I'll be assigning my paperwork tomorrow. So I got a lot of done yesterday. I did all these boxes. I just redid my Christmas stuff into those boxes. Yeah, but we still got a lot. I feel like I still got a lot way to go, but it's the first step, right? So let's go to Walmart to buy some tape. He's ready and happy to go. Taking her for a bathroom break right now before we head on to the Walmart. She is using again. Good girl. Let's go. They have all these lays at Walmart for graduation. Pretty nice, yeah? They have candy ones here. And these here. Look at that. You get 4 pieces for $6. Awesome. That's what I needed. This one was $8 for one, so we're gonna not have that one. And then if we don't need the cutting, we can cut it ourselves. 2 something for 1. Yeah. That's still right there already. Okay, so hopefully that's all I will need. I used to sit like this when we're driving, but the boxes were down, so she couldn't go in the back. You're happy. So we're headed to put gas again. I just like to have full tank when I'm driving to work, and I just want to say that, you know, feels so good to be able to put gas in my tank. Back in the day, I maybe had $5. This is the honest truth. So $5. So I would have to, when I was in the addiction, I would be like, okay, $2 for beer, and then the rest for gas. But I didn't hardly go anywhere. I just went to the store and come back usually. But I would always run out of gas. But I just saying it's really, you know, awesome that I can not run out of gas anymore. Yeah. Because like back in the day, honest to God, you could probably get cigarettes. So I bought cigarettes when I could afford it. But you cannot ask somebody, oh, you get one beer? No, can ask. But you can ask somebody, oh, you get a cigarette? This is what a person in the addiction, you know, that's how it goes, you know? But I never did steal, rob people, or act, you know, I just defended myself when, you know, my boyfriend would act nuts. That's the only thing. Or if somebody act nuts. But, you know, it's just, I mean, and then people, you know, my friends would like give me food, feed me. But some days I would have like $10, and then I would buy a plate for me and Navea and her mom them, and we would share that plate. And I would feed them first. I would feed them more than mine. And, you know, it was a struggle back then, but, you know, you'd never realize that it's a struggle. It just becomes your routine, you know. I would do like, you know, recycling, and, you know, oh, good morning. So I am just I didn't vlog much yesterday. Oh, I did. I don't know if I vlogged yesterday. I'm tired, but I'm just having my coffee. Sorry, I'm just like I'm on the side here. But I'm just having my coffee. Cheers. So I wasn't able to move in this past weekend, because the apartment was not ready. So I signed my papers yesterday, though. I signed my papers, just waiting for the unit to be finished. I did do one of the bedrooms. I put everything out of the closet, but didn't really pack anything up in there yet. That's all my beauty stuff, my wax stuff, and all that. So don't really need to pack those. I can just kind of put it in the wagon and roll it, and just put it in the car. But anywho, just wanted to say good morning to you guys. And of course, we got the Groucho Lani here. Groucho Lani is her name, aka Navea. She she didn't want to really go walking to go bathroom yesterday. Only she pee. She hardly wants to go outside. I guess maybe she has menopause too. Nah, she don't have any of that stuff, because she got fixed when she was younger. But I was fixed too. We can still get stuff. I don't know if the dogs get that, but anyways, yeah, I'll see you guys in later.